In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ribbon menu in PowerPoint on Office 365. This tutorial will guide you through each step to help you navigate and utilize the ribbon menu effectively, enhancing your presentations with ease. So let's dive right in. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft PowerPoint for the web homepage. It's a convenient way to access PowerPoint online without the need for additional installations. Once you're on the homepage, if you're not already signed in, you'll want to click on Sign In at the top right corner. Use your Microsoft credentials to log in. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, which is a simple process guided by Microsoft. Once you're logged in, you're taken to the PowerPoint home. This is your dashboard where you can see all your presentations. Here, locate and click on a presentation you'd like to work on. Opening a presentation transports you into the familiar PowerPoint workspace, complete with slides and tools at your disposal. With your presentation open, direct your attention to the top of the screen where the ribbon menu resides. To fully utilize it, begin by clicking on Home. This tab is packed with essential tools you'll frequently use, such as formatting text and inserting basic elements like images or charts. Next, explore the ribbon display options. You'll find these options at the top right corner of the screen, allowing you to customize how the ribbon is displayed. You can choose the option that best suits your working style, whether it's showing tabs only or displaying all commands. After familiarizing yourself with the display options, I recommend clicking on each tab of the ribbon. This will enable you to discover the variety of tools available under each category, such as Insert, Design, Transitions, Animations, and so on. Each tab is dedicated to specific features that empower you to create visually engaging and professional presentations. Navigating through these tabs will enhance your understanding and help you utilize PowerPoint's capabilities to the fullest. Take some time to explore and test each feature, which can truly transform your presentations. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to mastering the ribbon menu in PowerPoint on Office 365. With practice, you'll be navigating PowerPoint like a pro in no time. Remember, the ribbon menu is your gateway to effectively designing presentations that captivate your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting!